Welcome to the latest innovation in Japanese style tiny home living, where every square meter is maximized through intelligent flexibility design. And this tiny home reimagine spatial use with a sliding loft bed system that embodies horizontal flexibility, allowing the bed to glide side to side and reshape the void area beneath in depending on need, whether for openness, privacy, or function. Accessing the loft is both practical and space-saving. Each stair step is embedded with drawers, offering cleverly concealed personal storage without the need for bulky standalone cabinets. This feature eliminates visual clutter and preserves the minimalist, open aesthetic central to Japanese interior. Beneath the loft, the space is further optimized with a folding bed built into the wall cabinet. When stowed, it transforms the area into a communal zone or circulation space, and when unfolded, it becomes a cozy sleeping area, making the bedroom zone truly multifunctional. This advanced layout celebrates both versatility and harmony, combining Japanese traditional with modern engineering. It's perfect reflection of how small living can still offer big comfort and smart solution, all while maintaining beauty, simplicity, and also balance.